Hi guys, my name's Emily Pierce and I teach clarinet and saxophone at Funkytown Music Academy. If you were to come in for a lesson with me, you'd first learn about instrument assembly, tonguing, and your first couple of notes. For the saxophone, instrument assembly would consist of putting the body, neck, and mouthpiece of the saxophone together. And for clarinet, we would have the bell, lower joint, upper joint, barrel, and mouthpiece. The tonguing is essentially how we start and stop our notes, so that is very important. And then we would just learn, the first few notes on both instruments. For saxophone, that would be open, would be C sharp, and for clarinet, open would be G. So just a couple of things to get you interested, and I really hope to meet you soon. Bye!